In this lesson, we will learn about the offset function. The offset function adds sketch entities by offsetting faces, edges, or curves, or other sketch entities a selected distance. Select it from the Sketch toolbar, and I'm going to enter a value of 15 millimeters. I'm going to leave Add Dimensions checked. Now I select my first entity to offset. We can reverse the offset direction by checking this box here. Select Chain. We'll offset a chain of entities. And bidirectional will create an offset on both sides. We can cap the ends of the offset with arcs or lines, and also make base construction geometry by selecting this box. You can drag the offset and drag it up and down to change the offset distance. After we're done with the offset, we can still resize our geometry. And that concludes our review of the offset tool.